So, good morning, my dear students. Today I start the new year, or I can say the new session, with a very easy topic. The name of the topic is square and square roots. I feel that all of you are quite familiar with the word square, as you have done in your previous classes. Square and square roots. SQUARE square and square roots. Now, let us start with the basics. Square means multiplying a number by itself. That is called a square. Suppose I take a number, say any number. I take the a very small number. The first number, that is 1. If I want to find out the square root of this, I can write this symbol square. This means 1 to the power 2. If the power this one is 2, then you can say this can be expressed in language, that is 1 square. 1 square means multiplying this number by itself. 1 is multiplied by itself, that is 1. I get 1. Again, if I want to find out the square of another number, let me take 2. 2 square, that means multiplying 2 by itself. I get 4. Similarly, I take another number 5. 5 square, that means 5 into 5, I get 25. This is the way I can find out the square of any number. Let me take a bigger number, 12. 12 square, that means 12 into 12. It becomes 144. Suppose I want to find out another number, 35 square. This one becomes 35 into 35. I get 1225. I guess by now you have understood what a square is and how to find out the square of any number. So here, the number obtained by squaring any number, that is called a perfect square. The number obtained by multiplying a number by itself is called a perfect square. Here I multiplied 1 by 1, this becomes a perfect square. 2 into 2, this one is a perfect square, because this is obtained by multiplying a number by itself. A number multiplied by itself. A number which is obtained by multiplying a number by itself, that is a perfect square. Here I have multiplied 5 by 5, I got 25. That means this one becomes a perfect square. I guess you have understood what a square is and what is a perfect square. So now, let me take another number. 13 into 13 square. That means it becomes 13 into 13. It becomes 169. Here in this one is a perfect square. As you know that it is a perfect square. This one is a perfect square. Right? This will become the square root of this. This one becomes the square root. Square root of 169 is equal to 13. This one symbolically it may be written as 169 square root of this. This one can be done in various ways. Let me show you the proper way to do it. How to find the square root of a number. Suppose I am giving a question, find the square root of 144. Here the first step I do is factorize this. Factorize 144. This is one method. It can be done by various methods. Using various methods it can be, the square root of any number can be found out. Here first method, let me show it, and it is quite easy. You might have done in class 6 and 7. I am sure that you have done in class 6 and 7. So what I do here, I convert this, I do the prime factorization of this. What I do, you might have done in your previous classes, I factorize. First of all, I'll see 2. This one, as this is an even number, it is divisible by 2. I take 2. 2 7s are 14. Again this number I divide by 2. I get 2 2s are 4. Again here this one is an even number. As the units digit is 2, it is an even number. If I divide 7 by 2, I get 3. 7, 2 3s are 6. 7, 1 remains 1. 1 and this is 2, it becomes 12. 2 6 are 12. Again I divide, as this is an even number, I divide by 2. 2 1s are 2, 1 remainder, then 16, it becomes 2 8s are 16. Again this one similarly I do it, 2 9s are 18. Now we can see that this is not divisible by 2. Then we go to the next prime number, that is 3. And we can see that this one is exactly divisible by 3. So what I do here, I write it in this manner. 2 square, 2 into 2, 2 square, again 2 into 2, 2 square, again 3 into 3, 3 square. Now, what I do, next step, I can write as square root of, the symbol of square root is this, square root of 144. Similarly, this side also I do the square root. This one I keep it inside. 2 into 2 into 3. 2 into 2 into 3. As the power of all this is same, I can write it in this manner. Here square root and square gets cancelled. Here what I do, I cancel this. What I get? 2 2s are 4. 4 3s are 12. That means the square root of 144 is 12. 12 12s are 144. I guess you have understood how to find out the square root of any number. Suppose I take another number. One, 2, 2, 5. Find the square root of 1, 2, 2, 5. First of all, similarly I do, in the similar way I factorize it. 1, 2, 2, 5. As this one units digit is not divisible by 2, it is an odd number. Any number which has the unit digits 0 or 5 is always divisible by 5. So I can take 5 here. This one is not divisible, so I take two numbers. 12. 5 2s are 10. 11, 12. 2 remains. 2, 2. That means it becomes 22. 5 4s are 20. 21, 22. 2 remains. It becomes 25. 5 5s are 25. Again I see that the units digit is 5. So it is divisible by 5. 5 4s are 20. 4 remains. 5 9s are 45. Now you see that this is not divisible by 5 anymore, because the ones digit is neither 0 nor 5. So I take the next prime number. The next prime number is 7, and I see that it is divisible by 7. 7 7s are 49. So I can write in the similar method. I can write 5 square. 5 into 5, 5 square. 7 into 7, I can write 7 square. Now as I have shown you previously, I take the square root of this. Now I have to find out the square root of this. Now in the similar method, I keep them under one bracket, inside one bracket. As the power is same, I can write in this method. This square and square root gets cancelled. 5 into 7, it becomes 35. That means the square root of 1 2 to 5 is 35. I guess you have understood this method. This is for today. Let me give you some homework. I am sure that you can do it. Find the squares of 37, B 21, C 18. Question number 2. Find the square root of A 625,